G, we're here at Memorial High School and we're working on a lathe again. Check it out. Came up with a cool test to kind of illustrate. This is for beginners. Sorry, wait, let me interrupt you for this. This is for beginners and just starting on a lathe. Beginners in a good way, right? This is like we're getting started, right? Just to demonstrate what's possible. So you see I have it like that. I'm gonna take a marker. But it's not just beginners. This is fundamentals, so that students and whoever's tuning in can get a chance to see what this machine does. All right, so I'm gonna fire up, right? Now I'm gonna use the cross feed, and I already set it. You want to get a close-up of that? Yeah, get right in there. You can get closer. Okay, and take a look over here. What I'm doing is I'm running it like this. I'll explain the tape later, but let's look at this now. The dot is getting smaller, and it's pretty much gone. Okay, let's stop. All right, so what's wrong? Go from a side, oops, go from like a view like this. Yeah, actually higher up. Yeah, so what's wrong? How come it's only one side? Does anybody know? You guys remember?
Low point?
Yeah, that's a low point. So I have to go this way. So I'm gonna come back out, and I'm just gonna move it like 10 thousandths. Let's go now. 10 thousandths, believe it or not, that's a lot. Which, did you expect it to be that much? No, they said no. So 10 thousandths is enough to face this thing. Okay. Or was it? What's wrong?
Still sends the black.
Yeah, so that's not completely flat and perpendicular to the thing. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go one, now I'll go 5 thousandths. Let's go now again. Pretty cool, right? I never did a demo like this one. Yeah. You guys like this so far? Okay. Now, when I say facing, what it means, obviously, is that this face is completely flat. Oops. Still not enough, right? Now, you see the little saw marks? See how it's shining on there? Look at that. There. Hold it there. There. See that? Where do you think that mark came from? Take a look at the marker. What tool? No. The saw. That's exactly right. That came from when they sawed this originally. All right, so let's go 5 more thousandths, and let's do it again. Now I'm going slow here. Going a little fast because I'm just trying to get going. How'd we do?
Still a bit more.
Not enough, right? All right, let's go 5 more thousandths. Let's go Yeah, we'll go 5,000s. Or I went 7. Here we go. Oh yay! Oh yay! Thank you. Little bit left, right? Just right there. So let's go. We'll go like it was like about 7 or 8 more thousands. Let's do it again. Moment of truth. This is like the last one. That's it. We faced it. Feel it. The center. I'm a little bit off on the center, but pretty good. Feel the edge. Super sharp. Right? Okay, I don't have the room to do it, but you could put a 90 on there to check it if I had a smaller one. Actually, let me see if I have it. No, I don't have that square. But anyway, you get the idea, right? Okay. Now, that's basically it. That's the beginning intro. Okay, so that was part 1. Super intro to the lathe operation, the metal lathe. We're using aluminum. It's nice and soft, easy to use. Not an expert in the lathe. Might not be using the right tool, but the concepts are right. All right. If you got any comments, please feel free. I'm more than willing to take feedback. All right. I'm Mr.G, Memorial High School. See you later.